And we play for the next round, or I forgot a bit, sorry guys. I'm just gonna have to take a look at who we are facing today. Today we're facing, Liverpool Red. Liverpool. How how that went in real life, we're not gonna talk about it. 1-0. 1-0. But coming off in the last match, a famous victory to Liverpool. That was a great match. But now I probably think they can beat Liverpool here if I can't see something wrong with them. But I think they're also coming up in a couple matches is Barcelona. But let's hop into a match. Real Madrid will have kickoff here. So can Bellingham pull off his amazing trick, or even Valverde if we have a right kickoff place? Rudiger will be the one to take it. Rudiger takes it. It will be an easy save for Alisson Becker. And now what will Becker do? He'll pass it there. McAllister. Ball taken. And Alexander Arnold now with a skill. Mbappe can't get there. We did, but it was an Ekitike now. Ekitike the Euro for Liverpool now. Can he do something here? The slide tackle is there from I think it was really no. Was it? I don't know. Sorry. But here comes Mohamed Salah. Ooh, we just hit the ball. Oh, tips over the ball. It just hit the ball there. But it's Brahim. And Brahim for, why? And now it's Mohamed Salah on the run. Szoboszlai. And Valverde there. Oh, Mbappe, why couldn't you get there? It was a brilliant opening. Konvike, it's Szoboszlai, and Ekitike! Valverde to defend. Beautiful save by Courtois. Courtois played away now. Mbappe can't get there as well. Not how it went. Always visit now. And it is Mbappe. Can't close it in. And here is Valverde. And here's Brahim. Brahim can't get the pass away. They keep opening spaces here. It's gonna be Bellingham. He can take a lifeline if he wants to, but it's Hoyson now trying to do something. It's Dean Hoyson. Alisson Becker makes a stop at it. It was gonna be easy stop for Alisson Becker, one of the best goalkeepers in the whole entire world. What a stop from Alisson to Becker. But now Bellingham from all the way. Alisson Becker with another brilliant save. Looks like we're going to half time 1-1. Can we be one more final attack here? They play it. But it is Mbappe! What? He was on track there. But Wolfsam whistle is gone. Nil at a break. But Vinicius Jr. is back on track. He's coming on here. Can he help Real Madrid here? I hate playing this side because then I play with my thumb and my thumb can't play good this side. But here we are. And it's Ekitike! Ekitike already! Rudiger! Oh, I thought that's a goal, but it's just gone wide. Rudiger chips it across. It is. Vinny, oh, can't get there. It's Vinny. Oh no, not Vinny. It was a Carreras. That was Carreras. Tackle not made. And Ekitike clothing up. Foul awarded Rodrigo with a yellow card. Is it a pit? No, it is a free kick. Outside the box. It's in, but not just over the bar. Will this be a 0-0 draw here? Carreras and Junior. Oh no. And Ekitike. It's how Hoyson now will grant himself a yellow card, but he made a remarkable stop there to not award a goal for Liverpool. And Courtois there. Courtois is there. The kick is away. Bellingham is there. Bellingham is there. Bellingham. Mbappe. Oh no, it was Chauncey. Another one, too beautiful play. Vinny konnte get way. What's that? Oh no. Rodrigo going. Rodrigo grant him. Oh, he won't. Lucky is Rodrigo. But Mbappe's already there. Why? Ekitike is there. Szoboszlai is there. Save made by Courtois. A lifeline for Real Madrid. So put it in. Oh no. Four minutes to play. And Mohamed Salah has one chance. It is Courtois. Can make it. Mbappe playing not the best. And we'll end level here. Thank you so much for watching, but just a reminder, we still have to check who we are facing in the next video. Or in the next match video. Real Madrid are now 4th on the league. Who are we facing next week? London Blue. It is. I don't have a section where if you can look at the calendar. We can. So, in round 15, which is in the next video, it's London Blue, Venice Juventus, Venice Juventus again, Venice Barcelona, El Clasico, Venice Milano, Venice. Yeah, it's going. I don't know. When is the next match? I wonder if do the next match off. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.